How to create bootable USB drive for Windows 11 with Rufus app. First, open your browser, search Rufus on Google. Click on the official website. Now scroll down and download the Rufus latest version. Now we need to download Windows 11 ISO file. Go to Google, search Windows 11. Go to the Microsoft official website. Scroll down, find Windows 11 ISO file section. Then click on Download Now. Then select the product language. Now select 64-bit download. Windows 11 ISO file download will begin. Once downloaded Windows 11 ISO file, insert pen drive on your computer. Now open the Rufus installer. It should automatically detect your USB drive. Under boot selection, click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded. Leave the other settings as default. Click Start. If you have older PC, then check these two settings. Click OK to confirm. Rufus will now format the USB drive and copy the Windows 11 files. Your USB drive is ready to boot and install Windows 11. And that's how you can create bootable USB drive for Windows 11 with Rufus app. Thanks for watching.